a city-killer asteroid, barreling towards Earth at 40,000 miles per hour. NASA says it could hit us in 2032. But is this the end? Or is there more to the story? And what's being done to stop it? Stick around, because what you're about to learn could save your future. Before we dive into the 2032 threat, let's clear up the cosmic jargon. Not all space rocks are created equal. What's the difference between a meteor, meteorite, asteroid, and comets? Asteroid. A rocky body orbiting the Sun of the size of a Carter series, that's about the size of Texas. Meteor. A space rock small enough to burn up in Earth's atmosphere due to heat of its entry rubbing against our dense atmosphere, commonly known as shooting star. Meteorites are what's left if it that survives and hits the ground. Comets. Ice and dirt snowballs moving in space with a trailing, glowing tails. In this devastating affair, size matters. A rock needs to be over 140 meters to be a city killer. But for global catastrophe, think 1 kilometer or larger, like the dinosaur-ending Chelyabinsk asteroid. That was nearly 10 kilometers wide, bigger than the Mount Everest. The 2032 threat. Let's meet the suspect. Meet the Rocky Bullet 2024YR4, nicknamed the City Killer. It's a 150-meter wide asteroid, big enough to flatten a major city. And its odds of hitting us are rising. From its initially predicted probability, the stakes have risen to 3.1% currently. Still unlikely. But NASA's still watching. So where could it hit? NASA's current projections suggest a potential strike zone between northern parts of South America, Africa, and central India, though uncertainty remains. If it hits land, it could unleash a 50-megaton blast, 10x stronger than the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. If it hits the Mediterranean, tsunamis could ravage coastal cities, but 99.99% of near-Earth objects miss us. So why the panic? Let's get real. Even a 0.01% risk gets scientists' attention. Remember the Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013? It fell in Russia. Just 20 meters wide. It injured 1,500 people. Now imagine something 10 times bigger. NASA uses the Torino scale to rate asteroid threats. Right now, 2024 YR4 is a level 3. No unusual danger, but concerning. Most scientists agree, don't panic. But here's the catch. Even a 0.2% chance is higher than your odds of being struck by lightning. And as more data comes in over time, the risk could spike or vanish. And so you are aware, countries aren't sitting ducks. The US tested slamming a spacecraft into an asteroid with the DART mission in 2022, successfully proving that humans are capable of altering path of asteroids. Europe is launching its HERA mission to study its aftermath. NASA is now developing the NEO Surveyor, an asteroid-hunting space telescope. Even Russia and China are drafting nuclear deflection plans, controversial but possible. Even the United Nations has a space mission planning advisory group to coordinate global response. But the clock is ticking. Deflecting an asteroid requires decades of advanced planning, and 2032 is just 7 years away. Think of it like climate change, a global threat needing global action. But while climate talks move at a snail's pace, asteroid defense is where geopolitics shines. Why? Because nobody wants to be the next dinosaur. So should you lose sleep over 2032? Is 2024 YR4 the end of the world? Almost certainly not. NASA's tracking over 27,000 near-Earth objects, and none pose a serious threat yet. But this is a wake-up call. We need to invest in planetary defense. Because one day, the odds won't be in our favor. Stay curious, stay prepared, and look up staying in search of it. Because in the vastness of space, knowledge is our best shield. Smash that subscribe button for more deep dives into science's biggest mysteries. Smash that like button if you'd rather fund asteroid defense than another superhero movie. Let me know in the comments, Should governments invest more in planetary defense? Because space isn't just the final frontier, it's our frontier. See you in the next video.